I set out to compare two AI video models. I didn't expect one of them to scare me. Oga AI. For someone that has spent enough time testing AI video models, one thing is certain. Pretty shots don't really impress me anymore. I mean, anybody can generate a cinematic sunset shot or a cool looking cityscape. What basically matters is whether these tools can actually survive real creative work. Can they edit real footage without breaking? Can they keep characters consistent? Can they handle dialogue scenes where people actually feel human? Can they understand complex prompts instead of guessing? And when things get chaotic, like crowd, action scenes, moving cameras, do they still hold up? So today, we are putting Google Omni and Seedance 2.0 through 5 tests that actually matters. Same challenges, same prompts, same scoring system. And by the end of this video, we'll know which one is closer to being a creative tool and which one is still trying to catch up. So before we get started, what is Google Omni? Now Google Omni is an AI video model focused heavily on video editing and modification workflows. So instead of only generating videos from scratch, it allows you to use prompts to transform, edit, and manipulate already existing footage. Whether that means changing environments, modifying objects, altering scenes, or completely reimagining a clip. So what that means is I could easily take a real footage like this and add a simple prompt like say, change the weather to snow, and it is going to give me a video like this. Looks pretty cool, right? Yeah, it does. So how then does Google Omni performs when compared to other AI video models like Seedance 2.0? That's what we're going to find out in this video within these 5 use cases. All right, so basically that brings us to use case 1. Now for use case 1, we are going to be editing real footage. Okay, that's this footage that I showed you earlier. So what we're going to be doing is using this prompt, transform the environment into a busy urban city setting while preserving the original subject, camera movements, timing, and actions. Okay, so I'm going to use this prompt to transform this video, this real footage, to a busy urban sitting setting using Google Omni and Seedance 2.0. Okay, and then we are going to compare both videos side by side. Okay, so to do this, you just simply need to copy. Okay, we're just going to copy this prompt. So copy this prompt, and then we head over to Flow. Now Flow is where we'll be gaining access to Google Omni. Okay, so in the search bar here, I just need to upload my prompt and then upload the video, which is this. So for the settings, you come here, you select video, select ingredients, select the aspect ratio that you want. In this case, we want 16:9. Then you can select the number of videos that you want per generation. So in this case, we want just one. And then you select, more importantly, you select the video model. So in this case, we are selecting Omni Flash. Okay, one cool feature that I noticed they've added is the duration for the video. Okay, so before, when it was just Google View, we were only allowed to generate as much as 8 seconds for a video. Okay, but now we can now generate videos for 4 seconds, 6 seconds, to as much as 10 seconds. I'm just going to come here to click on this plus sign, then add our video to the prompt bar and add the prompt as well. Okay, then you hit on generate. So while this is going on, we will head over to this platform called Flover.ai to gain access to Seedance 2.0. So for Seedance 2.0, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to upload my footage and then I'll paste the prompt. Okay, all the settings here remains the same, and as you can rightly see, we are using Seedance 2.0, and then I'll hit on generate. Okay, so if you are going to try this out, you would notice that Google Omni takes less time to create videos compared to Seedance. Okay, so basically Seedance takes more time. Our video has now been generated. Okay, so I'm going to play them so you see what they look like. So for Google Omni, we have this clip right here. All right, so I think it looks pretty good. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. While for Seedance 2.0, we have this clip right here. Okay, so if I compare this side by side on my screen, you can see that the clip for Seedance 2.0 looks slightly better than that of Google Omni. Okay, again, that's my opinion. If you have any contrary opinion, let me know in the comment section below. In terms of video quality, you can see that quality of the video that Seedance 2.0 generated looks a little bit more colorful compared to that of Google Omni, which looks just slightly bland. All right, so with that being said, let's move over to use case 2. So for use case 2, we're going to be trying out image to video, which everybody knows. Okay, and we're going to use this prompt where a guy and a girl are fighting in an abandoned warehouse. Okay, so we're just simply going to repeat the same process as we did for use case 1. Head over to Flow to access Google Omni. We upload our images, which I've already done. Then we add it to the prompt. We add this and this, and then we add our prompts. Okay, so again, we repeat the same process for Seedance 2.0. Okay, but I'm not going to bore you guys with all of that. So I'm going to play both videos so that we see what we got for both Google Omni and Seedance 2.0. Okay, so this is the video we got for Google Omni, and yeah, Google Omni struggled a little bit with the fight scene. Okay, it didn't follow the prompt as I wanted it to. Let us see what we got for Seedance 2.0. Now you can see without a doubt that what we got for Seedance 2.0 is way better than that of Google Omni. And if I pair them side by side, you can see Seedance 2.0 did a good job following the prompts. In fact, it did an overall good job with this fight scene compared to that of Google Omni. So again, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Okay, now with that being said, we will move over to use case 3 where we try out dialogue generation. So to do this, we repeat the same process with this prompt. Okay, so for this use case, I have this image right here, and I would use this prompt, create a cinematic dinner state video using the exact two people from the reference image. Okay, so again, we repeat the same process. So first off, let's start with what Google Omni generated.
Wow, you look beautiful tonight.
Thank you. You don't look bad yourself.
I've been looking forward to this.
Me too.
So remember, the thing we are looking out for here is dialogue. Okay, and so far I think Google Omni did a pretty amazing job with the dialogue generation here. All right, so let's see what Seedance 2.0 did.
Wow, you look beautiful tonight.
Thank you. You don't look bad yourself.
I've been looking forward to this.
Me too.
Again, I prefer the video quality, but I think in terms of dialogue generation, I feel like Google Omni did a better job. So if we compare both videos side by side, you can see that Google Omni did a better job in terms of conversation compared to Seedance 2.0. However, Seedance 2.0 seems to have a more clearer audio. Okay, I don't know if you took note of that. Now I also did one for Pigeon, which I really liked with Google Omni, so I'm going to play that as well.
You look fine tonight, oh.
Now you dey notice.
No be now. I noticed from when you enter. I just don't want to make it look like say I too rush.
Okay, so we know how terrible these tools are when it comes to Pigeon, but I feel like he did an amazing job, you know, with the Pigeon English accent here. Okay, if you're from Nigeria and watching this video, just let me know what you think in the comment section below. But overall, I would have to say Google Omni in this case did a better job compared to Seedance 2.0. Okay, again, that's my thoughts. If you have any contrary opinion, let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so that's for use case 3. So for use case 4, we're going to try out text to video, and for this I have two prompts. I have one prompt for a cinematic formula racing set in futuristic Lagos, and then we have a high budget action sequence set in Lagos where the police is chasing down a thief. Okay, so basically you just repeat the same process as we've done in the previous use cases. Okay, copy this prompt, head over to the prompt bar here in Flow. Okay, adjust the settings to how many seconds or how many videos generation that you want and hit on enter. Okay, same goes for Seedance 2.0, and we let this run for a couple of minutes. And after a couple of minutes, our video is ready. So I'm going to show you guys what both tools generated. So for Google Omni, this is what we have. And it doesn't look so bad, except for some minor faults. It didn't really follow the prompt as I wanted to, but the video is still okay. So let's see what Seedance 2.0 generated. So you can completely agree with me that Seedance 2.0 did a better job compared to Google Omni in this case. All right, so if I compare both videos side by side, you can see Seedance 2.0 follow the prompts way better than Google Omni did. Okay, so let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. All right, so for the second prompt of police chasing down a thief, for Google Omni, this is what we got.
Stop right there!
You can rightly see it didn't really follow the prompt like that. Okay, the video is a little bit, it's kind of cool, but I don't know why he left where he was running to jump on this table of tomatoes. Okay, so Google Omni didn't do a good job in following the text prompt. Okay, but let's see what Seedance 2.0 did. So you can rightly see that Seedance 2.0 did a better job as usual. Okay, so in this use case again, Seedance 2.0 did a way better job compared to that of Google Omni. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. So that takes us to the final use case where we'll be trying out product commercials. Okay, so we're going to take a product and this prompt right here to see how well each video model performs when it comes to product advertisements or product commercials. Okay, so again, we are going to repeat the same process. I have a couple of images that I want to use for this. Okay, so this is our product here. So I'll just add this to the prompt and maybe use this lady here. Okay, so what I want is for her to just hold the perfume bottle, spray it a little bit and all that. At least that's what it's in the prompt. Okay, so I'll copy the prompt and paste it here and do the same again for Seedance 2.0 and hit on generate. Okay, so after a few minutes, our video is ready. So let's look at what we got for both AI video models. So for Google Omni, this is what we got. Okay, so I like this. I like the output. I like how the camera angles, camera movement worked. Looks pretty cool. Okay, so it's a pretty solid video. All right, so let's see what Seedance 2.0 did. Okay, so this is a pretty tough one. Both did a pretty amazing job. Okay, either one goes really well for me. Okay, so let me know your thoughts about how they performed in the comment section below. They both did a good job. So with that being said, which do you think is a better tool at video generation? All right, honestly, I feel like Seedance 2.0 did a better job overall. We have come to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. And if you've enjoyed this content so far, please do not forget to like this video, leave questions in the comment section below if you have any, and more importantly, if you have not subscribed yet, please do well to smash on that red subscribe button and the bell notification icon. So till I see you again in my next video, thank you for watching, God bless you, and peace out.